So on areas like this with a sheer drop off, they put this cable drilled into the side of the cliff to help you not plummet to your doom.
Hey Dad.
Yeah.
You just stand right there at the corner and we'll get a picture of it.
All right.
I'm not taking a second to get the photo.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my rain gear on in a minute.
That's a nice view there.
It's hailing on us now. Well, yeah, there's hail in this. Oh well, still fun. Crap. Guess the only way to see Punchbowl Falls is to kind of rock wade a little bit. Oh man, this sucks. Whoa. Yeah, I can't really see a whole lot from here. One lane, no passing. This really is a cool trail if you ever get the chance. I highly recommend it, not for the faint of heart or those afraid of heights, but it's really not that bad of a grade going upstream, and it's just gorgeous, very beautiful.